Hey Bristol Bears, Mrs. E here, and today we are going to be talking about ritardando. So ritardando is when you take a tempo and it gets gradually slower. So if you started fast, if you started presto, and you gradually got slower and slower, that would be a ritardando. You see this a lot at the end of pieces where the composer wants it to be very clear that this is the end of the piece, so everything gets slower. That is a ritardando. If I take my drum and I start with a presto steady beat, a fast steady beat, steady beat, steady beat, oh steady beat, oh steady beat, and I get a little bit slower, it didn't happen all at once. It was gradual, but I gradually got slower. And that is called a ritardando. As you look at all of your other activities today, your sing and your say, your move, and your play, think about what's going on with the tempo in this piece. Is there a ritardando? Does it stay steady? If there's not a ritardando, what would the song feel like? How would it change if there was a ritardando? Have fun, guys!